No followers? No problem. Here's how you can make money from Pinterest with 0 followers using this simple trick. Head to Pinterest.com and create a free business account. Don't worry, this is quick and free. Now go to platforms like ClickBank, Digistore24, or Amazon Associates and pick a trending product. You'll get a unique affiliate link for each product. Next, go to Canva and create an eye-catching pin using the product's image and benefits. Keep it simple, bold, and scroll-stopping. Upload your pin to Pinterest, add a keyword-rich title and description, and paste your affiliate link in the Destination URL section. As people search and click your pin, they're redirected to the product. Every time someone buys, you earn a commission, without needing a single follower. Rinse and repeat this method with trending products, and you can earn on autopilot. Want more 0-follower hacks? Hit like and follow for more AI money ideas.